guys, hi, Akash Sharma here. Welcome to Ravan Screener Indicator. I would like to thankful to all of you, those who have purchased our Ravan Indicator screener, right? I will tell you that this indicator is really a life-changing and game-changing indicator, right? You definitely come to know once you realize and start working on this indicator, right? It gives almost 85% plus accuracy. We'll discuss step by step each and everything, all features we'll be discussing, right? And my this indicator works on all the markets, all the charts in the trading view, even index, commodity, options, I mean crypto, as well as forex. Even you can use on options as well, those who are working on options. Okay, so everything we'll discuss regarding this specific indicator. And first, let's see, once you have purchased the indicator, right, where you can find my indicator. Let me first clear the chart. I'm just removing all the indicators from the chart. Okay, so what you will be getting, everything we'll be discussing. So let's see, you have purchased the indicator and you have to apply my indicator on the chart. What thing you have to do is you have to go to the chart section. This is the chart section. Remove all the indicator which you have already applied on the chart. Let's say example, these are the indicators default already applied, right? So what you have to do, you have to click on this indicator which I have clicked right now, right? And then remove the indicator by clicking on this delete option. Once you click on this delete, the indicator will be removed. Again, you can see here I clicked here, and just I have clicked on this delete option, the indicator has been removed. Now how you can apply on the indicator, like my indicator on the chart. You can go to this above, you can see the indicator section, right? This is the indicator section. You will find three indicators on the invite only option. You can find last below invite only option. In that you will find my three indicators. One is Ravan screener indicator, second is TG ADX indicator, and third is Ravan indicator. So first, what are our main indicators which we have to use daily on the chart? That is Ravan 2.0 screener indicator, this one. I will click on this. And last second last indicator, that is TG ADX, right? These two indicators are our main indicator which we will be using daily, right? And we'll discuss all each and everything, all features of this specific indicator, how to use, how exactly it will help you for day-to-day trading, as well as swing trading, as well as positional trading. Okay, please ignore guys the background voice. Okay, now let me go to the indicator settings. You can see here, once you go to the indicator, you will find this settings option, right? You have to click here, right? So let's understand each and everything, all features we'll be discussing, right, step by step. First, you will have to go to the input section. You can see the input section, these are the features which are unchecked, right? If you want to use that feature, you have to just check mark that feature. The indicator feature will be applied on the chart. Okay, now first feature you can see here, that is show pivot points daily, right? Once you click on this option, the pivot points standard will be presented on the chart. You can see this yellow dotted line, right? This yellow dotted line, that is a pivot point center. You will get one pivot point, like first resistance, second resistance, and third resistance. These are the resistance point, right, of pivot points. Similar downwards, you will find 1, 2, and 3 support lines. Okay, so those who are working with this indicator, right, and want to use pivot points together, you can just click and activate it from your end. It will definitely help. Okay, just a second, let me silent my phone. Okay, next is let me uncheck this feature. Once you uncheck, the feature will be removed from the chart. I'm just unchecking. Okay, the pivot points will be removed from the chart. Next feature is those who want to work with Fibonacci retracement levels to check where the indicator will get bounce back. You have to just activate the show Fibonacci retracement option. You will find the Fibonacci levels will be plotted on the chart. You can see here all the Fibonacci levels are the plotted on the chart. You can customize it as well by going downwards. Once you go down in this indicator, these are the Fibonacci settings. Here the market is already, sideways, you can see here, right? So here you can see extended right. Once I click uncheck this extended right, the pivot points will be get shorter. You can see the point gets just very shorter, right? And here you can see the, if you want these values on the right hand side, it's currently at left. If you want it on the right hand side, you can adjust it from right. Here label position right, the labels will become on the right hand side, you can see here. Okay, so this will be easily helpful to you to adjust here technical analysis part. Okay, and it will be easily visible as well. And in some cases, if you want to reverse the zone, extended zone, if you feel the market has already reached its top and all the levels are completed, you can click on this reverse. It will automatically get reverse and show you the reversal targets. You can see here, guys, these are the reversal targets. So you can click on activate it by this indicator. Regarding the indicator conditions for buy and sell, we'll discuss in the next video, means upcoming session. First, let's understand each and everything how this indicator is performing, what are its features. Okay, next is once you click again on the indicator section, you will see so to super trend, right? Those who want to work on super trend, you can just check mark the super trend and increase the values. uh, Default it's 3, you can increase it to 5. It will show you the longer time frame trend, and based on that trend you can make your trading journey possible. My indicator signals are not based on super trend to be specific, so please take in mind. So those who want to work with this super trend feature, you can just check mark that and work on the same. I'm just unchecking this super trend level. To remove noise, it will be very helpful. You can see you can the sell trend is going on a longer time frame and you get a buy signal, you have to ignore that buy signal. You have to only go for a short signal. You can see this is the buy confirmation signal. So you can, as a secondary confirmation, if you want to use super trend, you can use that super trend by activating it. Okay, next feature is VWAP, volume weighted moving average. So this feature generally people use for breakout and breakdown strategy. You can use that as well. And whenever the line is moving flat, there will be a market, will be mostly a sideways market. You can see here the market is sideways, moving flat. It's moving upward direction. Market is in bullish. Moving down, market is bearish. Moving flat, market is sideways. Okay, so those who want to work with VWAP strategy, they can just activate and use the VWAP strategy as well. We discuss each and everything in next upcoming videos, step by step, how to use VWAP, how to use Fibonacci, how to use super turn, how to use, we will discuss each and everything in upcoming video. Currently we are just discussing the features. Next is auto trend lines. This is the most you know successful, I can say, I believe it's a successful indicator that easily plots the support resistance trend levels. You can see this green line indicates the support. You can see it has got support as well. Here it has given the support and here it has given the support. Once the support is confirmed, you will get a green line, and once the resistance is confirmed, you will get a red line. You can see here the market is moving in a channel and it's near to breakout, right? So once the market open, it's a break up, you can go for a bullish trend. If market break down this channel, you can go for a bearish trend. I hope it's understood. Next feature is show CPR. This is also best feature which will discuss in today's session. CPR generally, if you are aware of CPR strategy, right? It has three, levels: narrow CPR, mid CPR, and wide CPR. You can see, guys, this is the narrow CPR. All three lines are together and it's very narrow, right? CPR levels plotted every day on the daily basis, right? So if the morning, here you can see on 12th the CPR was narrow, that indicates the market is, you have to wait for the breakout. CPR breakout will get good move. You can see you got a buy signal, but the CPR has not even confirmed. So once you have to look for the CPR breakout, whenever you want to enter the position. Once the CPR is break, you can enter over here, and upper resistance you can book a profit. Similar narrow, you can see it's a mid CPR. Once you have a breakout of mid CPR, you can enter the position, and you can take the benefit using this. These are the support zones whenever you enter the sell signal. And here the third example is of wide CPR. Wide CPR generally indicates the sideways market, right? If you want to, trade in a sideways market, I do not recommend. You can trade in between shorter support resistance zones, you can see here, but I won't recommend to trade whenever you get a wide CPR option. Okay, narrow CPR and some mid CPR you can enter. I'll create a dedicated video on this, how to use exactly this indicator. Okay, so this is the feature is very helpful to day trader as well as swing traders. Now next feature is EMS, right? Here we have added three EMS, right? You can add three EMS, right? That is, what are the three EMS? 7, 21 and 50. So those who want to work with all three EMS, you can work with all three EMS, and those who want to work with single EMA, two EMA or three EMA, you can customize it as well. How to customize? Sorry. So you have to go to the style section, guys. Here you can see EMA1, EMA2, EMA3. So EMA3 is 50 EMA, 21 EMA, 7 EMA. So I generally recommend you to use 50 EMA as a day trading strategy, right? 50 EMA will help you to show the exit trend, it's downtrend or uptrend. You can see here the market is in downtrend. You have to avoid this long signal, though this will be the trap. You can save from this trapping trade as well. Okay, so market is fully downtrend. Here the market is stable. You can see the EMA line has also flattened. Okay, so in that case you can book a profit as well, or you can book a profit on this support zone. Next feature, if you want to use this EMA, next is I'm just unchecking it. Next is this most used, I can say, features that I mainly prefer for my trading strategy. I'll share you my trading strategy as well in the next coming video. So this feature will help you for getting the confirmations of RSI. Here you can see the downward indicator TGADX RSI. What this helps, this blue line, guys, what it indicates, this is the RSI line, right? So whenever you get RSI line, right, in between this gray zone, the gray zone level is, upper level is 60 and down level is 40. Whenever this blue line you see in a gray zone, there will be a sideways market. You can see above on the chart as well, right? So that indicates you the sideways market. So in that duration you do not have to enter in any of the trade, right? Next is, you can see this below these three lines. What three lines indicates? The green line indicates that market is, that positive momentum it indicates, right? You can see the green line is below this 20 line. This is the 20 line level for ADX level, 20 line. Whenever you want to go in a bearish trend, you have to look for this red line. Red is directional index minus, that indicates sell momentum, right? Whenever the red line is above this 20 center line, there will be a market bearishness. You can see the on the chart as well. And whenever you see the green line, let's show you example. Whenever you see the green line above the 20 level, market will be bullish, right? I hope it's understood for how exactly to work with bullish and bearish scenarios. We'll understand next in the video how to use this feature. So this feature in the settings part, what I was discussing, so here you can check mark on this all three options, right? Whatever condition which we are doing manually, it will get automated and show you on the chart using this check marking these options, right? Now see, let's see this one by one. So let me show you one by one. uh, let's understand first RSI. As I told, whenever you find RSI in between this gray zone, there will be a sideways market, right? So here you can see, here you got the RSI confirmation on the candle, but on the next candle you got, the market was sideways. Here you can see that once you click on this RSI, you'll get this yellow arrows, right? That arrow shows that specific signal is having RSI confirmation. Here you will see RSI confirmation, but on the next candle it got vanished. Why? Because we generally enter in the next candle only, right? So this is the noise. You do not have to enter in specific signal. So here you get a confirmation of RSI, right? You can see each and every candle. So here you didn't get a confirmation of RSI, but on the breakout of RSI you can regenerate your position. You can enter in once you get a breakout, you can enter over here. See, you can see these white candles on the chart. What that indicates, see, I have adjusted this below indicator TG RSI. Whenever here this blue line goes in between this 60-40 zone, you will find white candles on the chart. If you want to change the color, you can go to the RSI indicator settings and go to the style section, and you can change this bar color option. So if you do not want this white color, you can change the color. If you do not want any color, you can just uncheck, the color will be removed. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, so you can see here you don't get RSI confirmation, right? And the white candles, you can see market is sideways. Okay, so here you can see there is no confirmation. Here it got a confirmation of RSI as a market break, gap down, gap up. You can see here you got the RSI confirmation, RSI confirmation, RSI confirmation, right? Now here do you didn't get RSI confirmation, but on next candle you got a RSI confirmation over here. You can see after that you can enter the position, and we'll discuss each and everything, all conditions one by one, step by step, don't worry. And it's not like you have to enter in each and every trade, or you have to do buy sell buy sell. So don't worry, I'll be guiding you each and everything. So yeah, as you have understood the RSI, now let's discuss the next feature, that is DI plus DI minus. I'm just unchecking this RSI option. So what this DI plus DI minus indicates, the buy trend and the sell trend. Whenever the DI plus and DI minus condition will be matching, you will get this blue signal. You can see this blue signal. Here the short signal, the DI minus condition has matched. Here DI plus condition has matched, but RSI condition was not matching. So you do not have to enter in specific trade, right? So you can see backward as well. Here DA plus DA minus didn't match, it matched over here. You can see here on the next candle as well. You can see here it has breakout, and here it has matched. You can see here you have DA minus confirmation, a plus confirmation, DA minus confirmation, plus confirmation, plus confirmation, minus confirmation, right? So this is DI plus DI minus confirmation. And last is ADX confirmation, that I don't recommend, but if you want ADX confirmation, you can click on ADX. You will get plus sign at the time of ADX. What ADX is, whenever you see this yellow line, yellow line is of ADX line. Whenever the yellow line is above 20 baseline, you will find the plus sign. You will get this plus sign accordingly. You can see this is the plus sign. It has the ADX confirmation. It has the ADX confirmation. Okay, so now let's check all three options and understand how exactly it's working. Whenever you see all check mark all three options, you will see here example. Let's take here we got a short signal blue, that indicates we have DI minus confirmation, DI plus confirmation as well, as is below 20, right? So we have the strong sell trend over here. And next you can see the yellow arrow, that indicates you the RSI confirmation as well. So you can see here the market trend is very strong bearish, right? So you can go and enter in a short position from next confirmation candle, and these are the support zones. You can book your profit on your support zone accordingly, right? Whenever you see this here also, this is a similar. You can see long signal, you can enter in next candle, you can book your profit on the next confirmation, next resistance zone, and book your profit, right? So it works on each and every market. You can see here it got a RSI confirmation, but didn't get DA plus DA minus confirmation. Even it didn't get means ADX confirmation. So think before you enter in this range bound market. Okay, so this is also a very good feature which you can use. And next you can see show ADX screener. This feature, those who do not want to use this below indicator, they can use this check mark this indicator and use these values. Here you can see the RSI is 52, right? DI minus means this DI plus, that is green line, that is 14, DI minus, that is 14, and ADX, that is 9, right? This all three are in, I can see in the sideways market. You can see from here it's whole sideways market, right? ADX conditions we'll discuss in the next video in upcoming session. I already discussed this ADX in detail. I'll add on this in a this playlist only, whole playlist only. So this is the feature. Those who want to use this ADX screener, this all feature, and those who do not want to use this below indicator, you can just activate from here and use it from your end. Next is show previous day high, low, close, right? But here we have used show previous day high and low only. You can see these yellow lines. Yellow lines is previous day high and low, right? This was a high and this was a low. Yellow line, you can see this was the previous day high and this was the previous day low. Those who are working on previous day high low basis, you can just activate and use this feature accordingly. Okay, next is show dashboard. You can see the dashboard table over here of the Ravan 2.0 screener indicator, right? What this helps, you can see here, this basically shows you multi time frame trend from 1 minute to daily basis, and also shows you the volume, what is the volume on the current bar, right? So this is a based trend indicator, I can say. Whenever you are going to the bearish market or a bullish market, you can come to know using this indicator. Example here is you are seeing the sell signal, and you can, if whenever you see the bearishness 80% bearish or 80% bullish over here, you can make a trade accordingly. Let me show you a live example of this. Here you can see a short signal. Let me do a replay. I'm having a premium version, so I'm oh, okay, sorry, it's not, it's my okay, this is my another account. I do have another premium account, but this is my free account. So whenever you get a sell signal, you can see this table, and how to work on this table. This is, these values are based on 21 EMA, right? 21 EMA. Whenever you see the current candle is above 21 EMA, you will see the bullishness over here. Whenever you see the current candle on specific time frame below 20 EMA, 21 EMA, it will show bearish, right? So here on current candle, you can see the market scenario is bearish, right? So possible of market gap down is higher. Okay, so whenever you get a signal, you have to refer this. Always look for 80% bullish or 80% bearish in entering a specific trade. Okay, so whenever you want to go for a sell signal, look for 80% bearish, and whenever you want to go for a long signal, always look for 80% bullish. I hope you are getting this feature. Okay, so if you want to change the size of this specific table, you can change it as per your need. It's fully customizable. Okay, default it's small. If you want to make it larger, if you are working on your system or something, you can click on large, and the whole table will get bigger. If you are working on mobile, so you can click on tiny. The table will be made in a short form, you can see, so it will not hurdle, not cover up your mobile. So if you want to work on this, I generally use small on my system, so you can customize it as per your need. So its default all values are based on 25 EMA. You can see Ravan 2.2 EMA 21. So if you change this EMA 21 to 50, all the values will be changed accordingly, right? All the values here will be changed accordingly and show you the data accordingly. You can see on 50 EMA you are getting 80% bearishness and 2% bullish, 20% bullish. So market trend is negative, so market possibility of market movement will be bearish. Okay, so next is those who do not want this support, entry, target, stop loss levels, you can just click on show SL and TP. Once you check mark on this, the levels will be removed. So if you do not want these levels on the chart, you can just check mark. If you want levels on the chart, you can just check mark on the same, it will come back. Okay, next is support resistance, which we have already used. You can see these red lines that indicates the resistance levels, and green line that indicates the support level, right? So if you do not want to use this green and red lines, if you click on this check mark option, all the support resistance lines will be removed. Okay, the chart will be clear. I generally prefer to use this support resistance for entry exit levels, right? And for stop loss, even I do not recommend this SL TP1 TP2, as it's based on 1:1 levels. Even you can customize that levels as well. Let me discuss, let me show you how you can change the levels of this stop loss. So if you are working on let's say example on options or forex, so default value I have set for this 1:1 ratio, that is 0.5. If you are working on options, if you are working on forex, if you're working on forex, you can decrease the value. So you can once you decrease the point 0.1, the 1:1 will set based on the point 0.1. If you're working on options, you can increase the value to 2 or 3 as per your requirement. So it will adjust the 1:1 ratio based on this. Default I am keeping 0.5, so you can adjust it by your end 0.5. Okay, so it's fully adjustable customizable indicator. Okay, next, mostly I have already covered each and everything, so mostly everything is covered. Please ignore this. We will be discussing this alert function in the next video. This is the main indicator which we have to use on the chart. Okay, so I hope this main indicator is understood by you. Now let's discuss how to set alert, right? So guys, for setting the alert, I have given you one different indicator, that is Ravan. This is the indicator that gives you up to 40 alerts using these signals, right? So how to set this alert? For that, I generally recommend you to remove first any of the indicator. I'm just removing this indicator on the chart from the chart, and just hiding this, right? What you have to do, just click on this Ravan. It will be automatically apply on the chart, right? Let Okay, this is applied, and you have to, this the second indicator is the Ravan. You have to go to the settings part. So this specific indicator, why I have made, because in our Ravan screener initially it was a 7 alerts, but it was due to heavy load in shorter time frame, it was very getting congested and indicator was not working properly. So I have shifted to a next indicator, and this will be, you will getting additional benefit of 40 alerts, right? So default I have check mark 7. If you want 7, 10, 15 alerts, 20 alerts, 40 alerts, you can adjust as per your need and add it as per your need. Okay, you can check mark on this, and you can, if an example here it's bank nifty, if you want to work on BTC USDT, Tether US. So once you click on BTC USDT, the values will be get automatically loaded and the chart will be updated. You can see here it's BTC USDT. Buy trend is going on specific trade. So this condition doesn't matter. This is mainly for display, but I recommend you to use this indicator for sell buy sell indicator. You can see if you want to check mark get 15 alerts, I have just check mark 15, the whole values will be get updated. You can fully customize by clicking on this pencil symbol. You can customize, you can add any of the chart which is mentioned in the trading view. You can see by this report, you can come to know there are sell positions red, and red green positions are going on this Tata Steel, Apollo, and these are the green, and this BTC as well is in the green. Buy signal is going on specific trade. Okay, so I hope it's understood. And once you update before setting alerts, right, I request you to update each and everything, all data, all these 40 alerts, I request you to please update, right? Once you update, and if you want whatever alerts, if you want 7 alerts, just keep 7 and uncheck the rest, uncheck the rest. If you want 40 alerts, you can check mark all. If you want 7 alerts, please check mark on the 7 alerts and update all 7 values, right? If you want to change this table size, you can change as per your need, tiny, small, large, but this table, this indicator does not require, it is just for alerts, right? So let's take example that I have updated the 7 list, I want 7 alerts, right? I have updated all the values. After that, click on save as default option and just click on OK. After doing this, right, click on this three dot for setting the alerts. Once I click on this three dot, right, you can see the first option, add alert on Ravan. Once I click on this, I will get this window. What only I have to do is just click on this expiration symbol and just adjust the date. Currently it's September 15. It's showing here. We have to click on this next, and click on the next last possible date. I'm saying it's 13, right? Let's take example is 13. You can set 15 as you can in the free trading view account. You can adjust this alert up to 1.5 month only. So I'm clicking this 13 and set 13 October as a alert. So what specifically this expiration works, this specific alert of the 7 list which are updated, that will last till 13th October, right? Till 13th October I do not need to update again and again on the indicator, right? And this another option you can see, like if you want to keep the alert on 5 minute time frame, make sure you keep your chart on 5 minute time frame. If you want to keep working on swing trading, if you want to keep this alert on 1 hour 4 hour time frame, so make sure you keep your chart on 1 hour or 4 hour time frame and then set the alerts. So here you can say create alert on back nifty 5 minute, right? So this alert will be on 5 minute and this alert are strategy alerts. So whenever you get a signal on these indicators, these specific symbols, you will get alert on next confirmation candle, means strategy alerts you will be getting from this, right? So there is no hesitate, it's not repainted indicator, you can trust and rely on that. Okay, so after setting the expiry date, you have to just click on create. Once you click on create, your alert will be set, where you can see the alert. You can see here the alert has already been set. Okay, you can see here alert on bank nifty 5 minute, it's active. So currently the market is off, but whenever the market opens and whenever you get a buy or sell signal in specific list, you will get notification, right? Notification you can see over here in log section. You can see these are the notifications. How to read the specific indicator, right? Here you can see a buy go triggered for NSC Cipla. That indicates you get a buy signal for Cipla, you get sell go triggered for Biocon, sell signal for Biocon, sell go triggered for BPCL, sell go trigger for Nifty, buy go trigger for Nifty. You can see guys, these are the alerts, right? You will get whenever you get the alert, you will get here the notification of the alert, and all log will be over here. The whole day log will be added over here, right? So, and another thing I request, if you are using mobile as well, please make sure you log in mobile as well. So whenever the alert trigger, at least you can come to know the alert, and then you can open the specific chart and make the trading smoothly, I can say, right? It's not need to open all the 7 charts together. Whenever you get an alert, let's say example of Cipla, you have to just open the Cipla chart, refer our condition. I already mentioned our condition in the previous, I will add the condition video in the next after this video. So you can refer the condition for buy and sell and make your position accordingly. Alert thing, this is the alert thing only. So once the alert is triggered, right? Let's say let's take an example. You have click on 3 dots and create the alert, right? In free trading view account you will get single alert. So in single alert you are taking 7 alert benefit. Even if you add 40 alerts option, check my 40 alert option, in single alert you will get 40 alert feature, right? This is the unique feature in my indicator. Actually you will not get this feature in the market. Even this will help you for watch list as well, right? It will help you for a watch list. It will be easy to flow, I can say. Example, if the Tata Steel is in buy, if you are planning for a sell signal, you can refer a track. Actually whenever this convert and the alerts triggers, you can make the position for sell. Okay, so it will be very easy to go tool, easy mediator, I can say. So once you set the alert is set active. After that there is no need to keep this indicator on the chart. Remove it. Use our main indicator Ravan screener and another indicator supporting, that is ADX TG ADX 2.2. Example, if you do not want to use this TG ADX 2.0, let's say I do not want to use this indicator, you can activate, as I told, you can activate this so ADX screener on the chart, right? You can activate that show ADX indicator on the chart. All the values will be get updated, you can see here. And you can apply the Ravan indicator on the chart. You will get good look. Actually, I can say good look. You can get a tracker as well as the screener option. Each and everything you will be get on the chart. I hope you are getting understood, guys. And regarding the condition video, we'll discuss in an upcoming video. Next video, you can stay be tuned. And I hope everything is understood. And if you still have any doubt, this is below, you'll find my direct number. You can WhatsApp me anytime. I will be here to guide you, right, regarding my indicator. Okay. Yeah, and now we'll discuss regarding the next video. Thank you.